Do you have a hair dryer?
Yeah.
उस पे diffuser attachment है?
नहीं.
So are you trying out this new look for your post-wedding look?
Could be. If it works out, then why not? Welcome back to another video. How are you guys? So, today, my sister, who has been after me since past 6 months, I think, will be doing a curly hair routine on my hair. She has been trying so hard that I start doing the routine, but it takes so much time that I just said that fine, whenever we meet, you can try it on my hair. Right now she's preparing things. Hello, where are you? There she is. So this is my eldest sister. She lives in Canada. That's why she doesn't come on my vlogs. She came to Pakistan after, I think, 3 years.
Almost 3 years.
Yeah. So let's begin. Let's do the curly hair routine.
Now let's see if it works on your hair.
Yeah.
Achha. So we don't have a spray bottle, so I've had to improvise a bit. So I'm just gonna wet your hair. It's already wet, लेकिन थोड़ा सा और कर लेते हैं. I've never done this on anyone else's hair before. I'm just doing the parting of the hair, so it's easier to manage because we'll be taking sections, right? बदले मैंने लेने हो तो मैं फोन करूँ तुम्हारे पास.
नहीं. Please don't.
अच्छा, in case you end up liking this look, are you gonna keep doing it?
Depends on how much time it takes. I can't spend 1 hour on my hair.
Oh, busy woman.
I'm busy. Got so much stuff to do, you know.
Videos and editing and whatnot.
Yeah, that's correct.
Achha, I'm gonna start with a leave-in conditioner.
This is Curl Smith
Multi-purpose
multitasking conditioner.
So you can use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a hair treatment. वो जो क्या होता है, deep conditioning. Your hair is so not straight. Hopefully this should work, but let's see. So just a little bit. I'm not applying a lot of products on your hair अभी क्योंकि ये test phase है, उसको weigh down नहीं करना हमें.
Do these products damage the hair?
I don't think so. Not as much as your shampoo and regular जो मिलता है. Like I've been using these products on my hair for a while now. People keep telling me कि मतलब बाल तुम्हारे ठीक है, so I guess just a little bit more.
How many steps are there?
Mine is pretty simple compared to others you will see online. I just use 2 products. I just use a leave-in conditioner and a curl cream.
Oh, great.
People use gel, mousse, whatnot. And हाँ, एक oil का भी अच्छा होता है अगर end में आप, क्योंकि my hair are dry by default, so वो shine के लिए थोड़ा सा आपको जब fully dry हो जाते हैं बाल तो आपको करना पड़ता है. But I don't think तुम्हारे में required होगा. We'll see. We need the hair to be dry completely before we decide if we need an oil in there. अब leave-in conditioner लगा के मैंने इसको वो कर दिया है brush, ठीक है. अब मैं इस section में भी further sectioning करूँगी. Like this is quite a bit to handle at one point. और जहाँ लगे कि you need more water, just keep applying. A little bit more. अच्छा, for some reason when I applied the leave-in conditioner on your hair, तो वो थोड़े से straighter side पे चले गए. Which is so weird. We'll find out. Like we said, we're experimenting.
So my hair are not curly and they're not straight.
They're
Somewhere in the middle.
confused. अच्छा, now I'm going in with the curl cream. ठीक है?
So this is Design Me
Curl cream.
curl cream.
I use the conditioner as well, by the way, for those with curly hair. But ये आपको पाकिस्तान में नहीं मिलेंगे.
Of course.
Unfortunately. ये मुझे वहाँ जहाँ मैं सैलून में हेयर कट करवाती हूँ, कर्ली कट, उन्होंने मुझे ये मेरे ऊपर यूज़ किया था and then I bought it and it worked for me. I was able to replicate that at home as well, which is great. So I don't need to run to the salon each time I want to style my hair. Now the product is in. I'm just gonna take like, there are multiple ways to do this, right? वीडियोस में आपको बहुत कुछ मिलेगा. So this is what I do. So I just take a section of my hair depending कि मेरे पास कितना टाइम है. जो नहीं होता टाइम में ज़्यादा मोटा लेती हूँ. But if you take a छोटा section तो it's easier to like curls ज़्यादा अच्छे बनते हैं. And when I do this to my hair, like when I do this and when I leave them, they turn out to be like curls. But में वो नहीं हो रहा है. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take like छोटे sections and just go around and twist them around my finger. So you see, this is how long it's gonna take now.
Oh
I have to do this to your entire head. And even if you don't see a curl at this point, don't worry, because when they're gonna dry out or further shrink going in, you'll likely see a curl. It's so much easier to do this on somebody else's head, I swear. So I'm basically just taking sections of your, like tiny sections of your hair, like you can't even see them in the camera, and just twirling them around my finger quickly. कोई बहुत टाइम लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट दैट क्योंकि हम एक को कर रहे हैं तो वैसे ही टाइम लगेगा. द प्रोडक्ट इज ऑलरेडी इन. आई डोंट हैव टू अप्लाई एनीथिंग एल्स. We'll see where we're going with this. Do you think this is gonna work?
I think I might get loose curls.
Yeah.
Not as tight as yours.
You probably won't get as tight as mine. वो curl formation आपकी different है. But you're definitely getting some beautiful curls. Yes.
Let's see.
Depending on जितने आपको वो चाहिए, like यहाँ मैंने बहुत पतले लिए हैं, but I think कि it would be nice to like take थोड़े से thicker so that they're more like defined kind of curls. So at my workplace, मेरे बाल, like my kind of hair is very common, so I don't like really stand out. But like you see that सबके textures, look, it's all different. So it all depends on how you style your hair.
Do you get compliments on your hair in
All
Canada?
the time, all the time. It's sort of become my identity, you know. So when I meet someone for the first time and the next time they're referring to me, they're like, "Oh, the one with the curly hair." Yeah, she's the one. But Pakistan में it's like अब बहुत ज़्यादा change आ गया है, like in terms of acceptance.
Yeah.
Otherwise, going into a salon, वगैरह, I don't know.
Oh, I remember.
Yeah.
The ladies used to fight over who's gonna do your hair.
They didn't want to do it. They're like, you do it. You do it. You know, अभी भी आप salon में आप पाकिस्तान में जाए, so they're like, why don't you get keratin? Why don't you get it permanently straightened? I'm like, because I like my hair, believe it or not. See, this is not that slow, right? I'm almost done with the back of your head. I'm sectioning your hair and applying each of the products. Usually, I just go in with the leave-in conditioner without sectioning my hair. So, I apply it all over, I brush it, and then I section it for the curl cream. So, you can do it either way. I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner to the side section. That's going to make our life easy because it will give time for the leave-in conditioner to work. Oops.
What was that for now?
Sorry. मैं सोचती हूँ. For all the times I've had to change your diaper, I guess. I don't know.
How do you like my hair dye?
It's beautiful. Yeah, it looks really good. We'll see the difference though with what it looks like in curls, but straight with it, it's amazing. Rather than going down like that, go sideways. Like this. तो वो थोड़ा उठ के बनाएंगे इस तरह. So this is a pro tip. You won't find this like anywhere else. Oh, this is so pretty. I'll be so proud of myself if this works now. I've been imagining this for like so long.
Yeah.
Did you tell your audience?
Yeah, I did. You've been after me since 6 months.
Yeah.
So this is what my hair looked like right now. I'm just going to wait for them to dry up a bit, and then I'll show you guys the final look. Alright, so this is the final look thanks to the hairstylist.
I'm just happy that it worked.
Yeah, I'm still trying to get used to it. I've never kept my hair like this ever before, but I think they look okay.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and if I should do this more often. I'll have to buy the products and then I'll have to...
I can see
By
that.
the way, this entire process took 3 hours. Like we started at 2 and it's 5 o'clock right now.
Now, why don't you turn around this way?
Yeah, so
Which is a bit far. Yeah, there we go. I think it look pretty good.
yay! If you like the video, make sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon and share the video with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.